So when I open my browser and search for this kind of hospital called Royal Park, this is what Google Map gave to me. If you look at here, they show me where the location is, and they gave me their opening time, 24 hours. They gave me their website, a telephone number that I can call. When I scroll down, I see a lot of images about this kind of hospital. And if you come here, they gave me a location, the exact location or the landmarks where this kind of hospital is located. So when I'm going there, I'm going to use this one. Or if I am driving or I'm walking and I don't know the location, there's no need for me to pick my phone and other stuff and start calling and asking questions. Just go straight or use the Google map. It will direct me straight to this side. So how can all these stuffs appear on Google? That's what we are going to talk about right now. If you open a new tab like this and you go to this hand here, you see we have this app here called Google Profile Manager. This is what we are going to use right here, and I've already opened it, so I'll just go to here and hit on it. So if you hit on that one, or if you're new, just hit on that one. It will open a new tab or a screen like this for you. If you look at here, it says get started. If you read here, stand out on Google with a free business profile. So if you look at here, you can get started here, or you look at here, you can get started here. And if you already have an account, just sign in into your account. So let's sign into our account, or if you're new, just hit on here and it will allow you to create your account, start entering some of the details out here. So entering this means you are out creating an account on this platform. So I already have an account. All that I need is to log into my account. So this is the account that I've logged in, and we are going to add a new business. That's what we are going to add, the Google business or a new business into this account. So to do that, I have it here. I already have a business out here, so I'm going to add a new one. What I will do is I'll just go to add, and then you say add single business, import business. So I'm going to add. That means I'm not going to import, I'm now going to add. So what I'm going to do is enter the business name here. So I will enter my business names here. After you've done, you go to next, you pick your category. So your category is about, I'll pick an internet shop, and I hit on next. So hitting on next is going to take me to this where it said, do you want to add a location customer can visit like a store? And yes, you're going to like the location. Okay, so this is what will let Google to what show your location, right? So I'll just hit on yes, then go to next. So if I go to next, it's going to ask me my location. So this is my country and my street address. I'm going to add the street address. So I'll just can enter anything. Okay, that means your street address where you are, and then you add your city. Hit on next. Okay, so it's going to take me through this one. Okay, this business, this is your business, Supreme Empire, then and other stuff. So it's none of this, so choose none because you're going to add a new location. So choose none and hit on next, and it's going to take you to locate your where you are right here. So this is my location here. You see, this is my location. We have Udmase, and then Udmase Market and other stuff here. Then you hit on next. That means that's the exact location that you are here. And do you provide delivery or home or visit website? Yes. Then you hit on next. Then you take you to here, add area, and this one is optional. Add area where your business provide delivery or home service. So you can just leave this one. If you have it, you can add it, right? So here you're going to enter your telephone number. This one, it will show on your so that in case someone want to contact you, this is the number that they're going to use to contact you. So you enter your number here, then you hit on next. If you don't have it, just hit on skip to skip it. Okay, so they are requesting for verification, and you are now verified. So my account is already verified. Then I go to next. Then I'm going to add my working hours. If you have a 24 hours working, just open all this thing. If you have a closing day, you just hit on. If you don't want it, just hit it, but make sure you add it and you add your time and other stuff. Okay, that means I work 24 hours, right? Then you are going to add a description for it. So for the description, you can let ChatGPT do that for you. So you go to ChatGPT, then you open it and you ask ChatGPT to write something for you, right? Then you go out here and paste it here, right? That shows how you work. If you don't want it, just hit skip on it. If I want to add it, it will take this video to or make this video long. Now you're going to add pictures about your shop, how your shop looks, the kind of things that is in your shop, or the kind of things that is in your customer shop. Then you add it. If you want to add, if you it's a vibrant shop, you need to take a picture of the screen outside the shop and other stuff, then you add it here. So here I can add anything that I want here. So let's say I want to add just my profile picture here. I can add it here, then open it. That means this picture is what is going to display. Like if you were looking for the shop out here, when we were looking for Royal Park, that's what it shows out there, right? So that is what the kind of picture this will show on my video. You can add more and other stuff. So I hit on this. Advertise. You don't want to advertise, just hit skip. But we are not going to do any advert on this one. Okay, and you say get a customer name for your website and other stuff. So we don't want it, just hit on this, then edit with a visible one, and you are verified, continue. So now this is my profile account. If someone come in and search for such things, they will see me here. And sometimes it takes some time for other people account to be verified, because for me, I've already created with my telephone number and stuff. That's why I get verified easily and simple. Okay, so how can you make money from it? It's just easy and simple. The thing is, go out to people. We have shop owners, we have saloon and other stuff. Just go to them and ask them if business that they are doing is on Google, so that when someone search for it, they will see it on there. If they says no, that means you have the opportunity. Then you introduce such business to them, ask them that means you're losing a lot of customers, because this way we have in the technological world, so that I can guide you and help you put your business on Google Maps, so that in case someone want to reach out to you, there's no need for them to call you. All that they need is what, to just hit on the Google map, search your name, then they use that one to come to your shop directly and buy from you. Then you charge them for it. So this one, there's no need for you to charge a huge sum amount of money. All that you need was just charge them some. As a beginner, you can start charging from $5, $6 and $10 going. Then you create a search account for them. After the account has been verified, they will promote you to others, so that they can see them. So this is my profile. You see everything here. If you look at here, I have it on Facebook. My business is on Facebook, so you see it on Facebook here. So in case someone search for such business or such name, it will show them where my business is located and other stuff, and give them, if they hit on direction, I'm going to track them and show them where exactly my location is. Okay, and you can do it starting from your area, and you can also do it on the internet. Just create a flyer, start posting them on your TikTok account, your Facebook account and other stuff, and you start cashing out from it. When they are ready, they pay it, you do their work for them, then you start cashing out. And for the details, you don't need to always search for details. Your customers are going to give you every details that they have. You ask them, then they will give you everything that you need to have before you can create the account. And if you ask you for verification, you can use your phone number to verify it. Very easy and simple. Depends on the location that you are, and you use it to verify it for them.